Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to knit this beautiful and pretty pattern. You can use this pattern in your lady sweater, baby sweater and baby's blanket. This is the way it looks like. See, this is the pattern. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all purl rows. You will purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. So this is 16 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast 10 multiples of 14 plus 9 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 14 plus 9 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 39 stitches on my needle, which is 14 plus 14, 2 times 14, 28 and plus 9 extra stitch 37 and 2 edge stitch 39. So row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2 together, knit these two together and yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK, repeat pattern starts from here, right after these two. Your edge stitch, knit 2 and repeat pattern starts from here. So we have done here knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK and then knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. That's the repeat from here to here. This is the repeat pattern. For repeat pattern we have done knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK and then knit 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. This is the repeat pattern. You will repeat this repeat pattern. Repeat that again. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK and knit 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Right, so you have done 2 repeats here and after you finish all repeats, for a last 2, 4, 6, 8 stitch, your 8 stitch knit last 8 stitch knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over and then SSK and knit together, SSK and then knit 2 and then edge stitch knit. So we have done row 1 here, row 2 wrong side, row 2 and for row every wrong side rows you will purl all stitches. So on the wrong side slip your edge stitch purl wise and then purl all stitches for every wrong side rows. Purl all stitches. Purl all stitches on every wrong side rows and your edge stitch you can slip or you can purl this edge stitch. I'm gonna slip for this pattern. So we have done row 1 and row 2. Now row 3 your edge stitch knit through the back loop and purl 1 and in front purl 1 and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, yarn over and then SSK and then purl 7. 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 and 7. That's the repeat from here to here. From here to here, for repeat pattern we have done knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, SSK and purl 7. 2 4 6 7. And repeat that again, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, SSK and purl 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Purl 7. We have done 2 repeats. Your last 2 4 6 8 9 stitch. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1 2 3, yarn over, and then SSK, purl 1 and knit 1. Row 4, wrong side, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 5, for row 5 knit edge row 1. So your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and knit 2, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK, knit 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK and knit 9. 2 4 6 8 9. That's the repeat. Repeat that again. Knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK, knit 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Knit 9. Your last 2 4 6 8 stitch, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK, knit 2. Your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 6, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 7, knit all stitches. Row 8, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 9. Now row 9, from row 9 we're going to knit this pattern here and this pattern here, right? We're going to alternate these patterns. So row 9, your edge stitch, knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Knit 9 and knit 2 together here, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK. Repeat that again. Knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Knit 9, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK. So we have done 2 repeats here from here to here. Your last 10 stitch, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Last 10 stitch, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Knit 9 and then edge stitch, knit. Row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11, knit your edge stitch through the back loop, purl 1, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Purl 7, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and then SSK. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, knit 1, SSK. Repeat that again. Purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Purl 7, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and then SSK. And your last 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 stitch, last 9 stitch, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one more time 8. Purl 8 and your edge stitch, knit. Row 12, row 12, purl all stitches. Row 13, for row 13, knit your edge stitch through the back loop, knit edge row 9 for row 13, knit edge row 9. So knit your edge stitch and knit 9, start the repeat, knit 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, knit 9, and then here knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, SSK. Repeat that again. Knit 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Knit 9, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and then SSK. Your last 2 4 6 8 10 stitch. Knit 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 14, purl all stitches. Row 15, knit all stitches. Row 16, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat these 16 rows, row 1 to row 16, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.